Welcome to a very windy yoga sculpt challenge. This practice will focus on building strength in both the core and arms. You may want to grab a block or water bottle for one of the exercises. Feel free to make modifications when needed, and I am so thankful you are here today. Today we're going to start seated. Go ahead and just take a moment here to grab that water bottle or block. We'll need that in just a minute. So, moving your head from side to side, shoulders are back. Loosening up the neck muscles here. To bring your ear to shoulder on the right and then on the left. Inhaling and exhaling. Focusing. Good. Continue to breathe. Feeling that nice lengthening through the head and the neck. Coming into a tabletop, we're going to keep our hips high as we stretch our fingertips towards the top of the mat in a puppy pose. Draw belly button into spine and feeling that stretch through the shoulders and the upper back. Good, and then go ahead and round into our table and coming into a cow and then round and tuck chin, cat. Inhale as you drop the belly into cow and exhale, cat. Inhale, drop belly and round, tuck chin. Inhale. And tucking toes, reaching hips high, finding your first downward dog. Go ahead and take a moment to walk it out, pressing the mat away from you. Inhale and exhale in your downward facing dog. Bend your knees, finding your hips coming a little bit higher here just to deepen the stretch in the back of the legs. Breathe here, inhale and exhale. Stretching through the shoulders, back is nice and long. Now rounding through vertebrae by vertebrae, finding a high plank and then lowering the knees, coming to one side on a modified side plank. So reaching the right hand high and up and over the head, keeping the shoulders down, feeling the hips separate, feeling the rib cage separate. Good. Coming to one hip, extending both legs in front as you inhale into a forward fold. Breathing here as you just gently stretch the back of the legs. Good. You can bend your knees if you wish. Place your hands on your knees or reach for the feet. Sitting up nice and tall, go ahead and grab that water bottle or block and place it in between your legs. Lifting your right leg up and over, keeping back straight for 1, 2, keeping core tight, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And other side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Excellent. And right again. And left. And right. And left. Lifting leg high. Right. And left, up and over. Right. And left. Good. Go ahead and take the block or bottle away. Inhale, reaching up and over, forward fold once again, feeling that stretch as you inhale and exhale. Good, letting that head hang heavy, breathing here. Good, inhale and exhale. Coming up to sit. Coming into a modified side plank on the other side, so bending that knee, reaching the fingers up and over the head, feeling the separation of the rib cage. Inhale and exhale as you breathe. Nice long stretch through the side body. Both hands come down to the mat. Hips towards feet into child's pose. Nice lengthening sensation here through the back. Go ahead and roll up. Finding tabletop position. Bird dog here, reaching right hand forward, left leg back, keeping hips square, hold belly button to spine, knee to elbow, in and out. and squeeze, release. Squeeze, release for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Excellent. Hands come to mat. Tucking toes of right foot and bring knee to chest and extend. So knee comes into nose and extends back. For 6 more, extend. 5, keeping hips low. 4, 3, extend. 2, and 1. Still working that left leg. Now we're going to bring hips high as knee comes to nose for 8. And high 7, extend low. 6, keep breathing. 5, 4, extending through that leg. 3, 2, and 1. Hover that knee, lower gently, finding your table, and then coming into a snake pose. So extending the arms behind you as they reach for the back of the legs, opening the chest, and inhale and exhale. You're coming to sit on your heels again. Just take a moment here with a nice neutral spine, breathing, and then finding your table once again. So bird dog on the other side. So extending right arm, left leg, bring knee to elbow for 8, and extend. 7, exhale, inhale. Exhale, come tight, reach long. Keep breathing as you exhale and inhale. Good, knee to elbow, reach, and in, and reach, in, and reach. Coming on the toes of the left side, extending right leg straight behind you. Knee into chest for 8. Extend straight back. 7, exhale, inhale. 6, 5, keeping hips low. 4, 3, 2, and last one, bring it in, extend it out. Now knee comes in and hips go high for 8. So knee to nose, 7. Good, almost there. 6, 5, 4, bring those hips high. 3, hovering left knee. 2, and 1. Extend it down, come to knees, reaching back into a child's pose here, feeling that nice lengthening through the hips, through the back, through the shoulders, letting the heart rate come down as you breathe. And now coming up into your downward facing dog. So hips are high, walking through the downward dog for just a moment, giving the chance to stretch out the back of the legs. Feel that nice lengthening through the shoulders. And then walking to the back of the mat, root to rise. Inhale, reach nice and tall, and thumbs to heart. Inhale, swan dive down. Walking hands out, finding a nice strong plank. Shoulder taps here, so separate feet for 8, 7, 6, tapping right and left. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Right and left. Good. Bringing hips high, walk feet in. Root to rise, inhale, reach, and thumbs to heart. Inhale, swan dive down, walking hands out, finding a Pilates push-up, so lowering right knee, lifting left leg. Elbows go straight back, chin to mat for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, core is tight. 3, 2, and 1. Good, tucking the toes. Lifting hips, walking hands in towards feet, root to rise. Inhale, reach, thumbs to heart. Inhale, swan dive down, walk hands out. This time, finding a nice high plank. You can lower knees for this next exercise or keep the knees lifted. Chaturanga push-up, so we're just going straight through the upper body, lowering into a chaturanga and pressing upper body up for 7 and 6. So just that upper body is moving. 5, 4, 3, 2. Once again, you can put your knees down. 1. Good. Downward facing dog, feeling the stretch through the back of the legs. Inhale and exhale. Breathe. Bend knees, walk hands in towards feet, root to rise. Inhale, reach, thumbs to heart. Inhale, walking hands out, finding that Pilates push-up on the other side. So this time, left knee comes down, extend right leg, elbows go straight back, chin to mat for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lowering leg, tucking toes, hips high, downward dog. Bend knees, walk hands towards feet, root to rise. Inhale, thumbs to heart. Inhale, last set here, one more set of our Chaturanga push-ups. So once again, knees can come down or stay lifted. Lowering into your chaturanga, so elbows go straight back, and lift the upper body for 8, 7, 6, 5, keep breathing. 4, 3, almost there, 2, and 1. Excellent. Down dog. Breathe. Inhale and exhale. Feeling the lengthening in the back of the legs. Bend the knees, walk the feet towards the front of the mat now and find a forward fold. Letting that head be heavy, feeling the stretch in the back of the legs, and breathe nice and deep. Inhale and exhale. Root to rise, inhale, reach. See if you can come to a seated posture through a chair, so carefully lowering the hips all the way down to the mat. Using your hands to adjust yourself if needed, and finding a boat posture. Shoulders back, chest is lifted. Holding here, breathing as you activate the core. Lifting the legs, boat to canoe for 8, 7, extend and in. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold and in. Lowering all the way down, extending right leg, bringing left knee to chest. Hold here for a moment and switch for 8, right and left. 7, knee comes into chest for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Right leg comes in, lifting left leg in the air, nice extension here, and both knees come in nice and tight to chest, extend open, so around the world, reach it long, knees come in. For 6 more, reach it long, knees come in. Good, knees into chest, extend, knees into chest, extend. Breathe, knees into chest, extend, and knees into chest as you take a moment to rock side to side here, breathing. Coming up to a seated posture, you can bring your hands to your lower back for support. Lift left leg and pump it in and out. So extend and in, extend and in, extend and in. Breathe. Exhale, inhale, extend and in, extend and in, extend and in. Other leg. 8, good, keep breathing. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Coming to our back, finding a bridge. So shoulders and arms underneath hips. Hips raise up high, pressing feet into mat, chin to chest. And lifting left leg, raise and lower for 8, 7, 6, 5. Keep hips high, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hip pulses here, so extend left leg high and pulse for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Another set, 4, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and release it down. Breathe here, bringing knees to chest as you rock side to side for just a moment. And then planting feet once again, bringing shoulders and arms underneath your hips, reaching hips up high towards the sky, pressing into the feet. Extend right leg for raise and lower here for 7, for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and pulse 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Last set for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and release it down. One more hip raise and then lower here. Feeling your back come out, your shoulders, and let your knees fall to one side as you scarecrow your arms and look in the opposite direction, just feeling this nice supine twist. Inhale and exhale. Knees coming up and adjust to the other side, looking in the other direction. Inhale and exhale as you breathe. And for our last posture, Shavasana, extending the legs, extending the arms. Breathe nice and deep as you press both shoulders into the mat, letting your hips fall open, palms are facing towards the sky, letting the lines around your eyes, your nose, and your mouth relax, letting your lips part slightly and bringing the tongue off the roof of your mouth, and breathe. Slowly start to wiggle your fingers and your toes, maybe reaching your arms up and over your head, giving yourself one final stretch. Maybe bringing these into chest first if you wish. And coming up to a seated posture. Crossing legs in front. Sitting tall. Though the mountains be shaken and the hills be removed, yet my unfailing love for you will not be shaken, nor my covenant of peace be removed, says the Lord, who has compassion on you. Thank you so much for joining me today. Go in love, go in peace, and I hope to see you soon. Comment and like below if you would like more videos similar to this in the future.